Egyptian cotton, but that's not necessarily true. In fact, most of those sheets are not actually Egyptian cotton. They say Egyptian cotton because it does have that cachet, but if you were to really experience pure Egyptian cotton sheets, you would definitely feel the difference, and you'd actually see the difference too. So Pure Parima is one of a few brands that is actually certified by the Cotton Egypt Association. So basically what they're doing is they're certifying that the cotton is in fact grown in Egypt, and it's extra long staple cotton. Extra long staple cotton is the best type of cotton you can get because it creates longer threads that are more durable, and the threads can be made thinner to get a finer weave. Now, Pure Parima makes a 400 thread count weave, and if you're used to hearing about 1,000 thread counts, 1,500 thread counts, that is really a misnomer, because what they're doing is they're adding pick insertions into the loom, which creates loose threads and pilling. They're twisting the yarns maybe 2-3 times to inflate the thread count. And really, a 400 thread count sheet is probably about just as high as you can get in a single ply yarn. So what they're doing is they're doing one across, depending on the weave. This is a sateen weave, but there's just single threads running each way here. They're not twisting the yarn, they're not throwing pick insertions into the loom. So when you drape this across your bed, you really do get a real silky look and feel. And you'll notice that these are strong fibers, there's no pilling. Even the stitching along this pillowcase, you can see it's very detailed, and that's going to hold up for many, many washes. Even after, 5-10 washes, some companies apply chemicals to the sheets to make them feel soft at first, but then after that many washes, they start to roughen up. With this type of thread and construction, it will maintain this silkiness for much longer without the need for those chemicals to give you that feeling. So I did get a white. Now these sheets, they do run a little bit pricier, but you get what you pay for here. But given the construction, they're actually pretty reasonable. So for $220, $230 I believe for a queen set, you get the top fitted sheets plus 2 pillowcases. And this one I've had in the box for a little while, so it's a little wrinkly. But this one, as you can see, it just drapes really well. It does look like a silk sheet, and it's just going to look gorgeous on your bed. What I like about this is not only the quality, the feel, but these are very breathable. Once you get above that 400 thread count range, again, you're getting into those double ply yarns, the pick insertions. That's going to hinder breathability as well. So these are going to be great breathable sheets. It's going to feel like you're in a 5-star hotel, probably better, because even a 5-star hotel, most of them aren't even going to use these type of sheets. And that's kind of something else we could go into, but you do get that sort of halo effect from being in a hotel, and most hotels aren't even going to have these type of sheets. So you're really in for a treat when you try these. Feel how smooth they are. Look at how light they are. You may even want to get out some of your existing sheets and compare them against what you have. Chances are these are going to feel a lot thinner in a good way, but thinner but still strong, and then smooth. And chances are you're just not going to want to return these. So I always recommend having a good quality set of white sheets. Obviously it's going to go good with everything. It's just going to give your bedroom a really nice clean look. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We're going to show you a little bit more detailed photos of these sheets. I'm going to talk to you about how they held up after a few washes as well. So head on over for more information.